Hi everyone. I'm sitting here with Annie at my piano, and it's kind of cold out. In fact, it's snowing, and we wanted to do a story, and I thought, oh, let's do Bear Snores On, about the hibernating bear. And then while he's sleeping, all the animals come and visit him in his cave and have a party. Remember that one? Well, I'm going to ask you to help me with the sounds that go with the story and to do a little singing with it too. So let's warm up our voices with Annie. She's going to hoot, and then you hoot back to her. Ready? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Your turn. Ooh, 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 ooh. Your turn. Ooh, ooh. Your turn. Ooh, 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 ooh. Your turn. Ooh, your turn. Ooh, 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 ooh. Your turn. Alrighty, one more, a really long one. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ready? Okay. Now, Annie's going to sit on the piano while we do the book. Now remember, there are parts where there are sounds, so I'll wait in the story and let you put the sounds in. And then there's a part we all sing. But bear snores on. So maybe you could sing that part with me. All right. You still see Annie? Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. In a cave in a wood, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. How about some bear snore sounds? Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl. Can you make a howling wind? And the night sounds growl. Can you growl? Here's the part where we sing. But bear snores on. An itty bitty mouse, tiptoe, pitter pat, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip pop. Can you make a fire crackling sound? And the wind doesn't stop. More wind. Let's sing. But bear snores on. Here he is. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. Ho, Mouse says, "Hare, long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Very cozy. Mouse sips, wee slurps. Can you be a little mouse? Oh, here comes the funny one. Hare burps, big burps. All right, go ahead. But bear snores on. Can you do some bear snoring sounds? A badger scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share. I've brought honey nuts, Badger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in. They nibble and they munch. Go ahead. With a chew, chomp, crunch. All right, here's what we sing. But Bear snores on. Why, nothing is waking up that bear. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, what a night, what a storm, twitters wren, and everybody clusters in the great bear's den. It's getting kind of crowded. They tweet and they titter. Let me hear your bird sounds. They chat and they chitter. But Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes. Can you be a big bear sneezing? And the whole crowd freezes. Uh-oh. And Bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls, Bear roars and he rumbles, Bear jumps and he stomps, Bear growls and he grumbles. Uh-oh. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none. He whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans. Can you be a groaning bear? And Bear blubbers on. Oh, I don't think he's angry. He's sad. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look, see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Bear gulps, he gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Can you be all the snoring animals? Good job. Bye for now.